god, so these are my beachy waves, which my new beach waver. This is the model S1.25. This is a dual voltage curler, guys, hair curler. Being a straight hair girl, I've always been fascinated towards girls, and so I ended up trying so many hair curlers in my lifetime. But off lately, there's this like beachy waves kind of revolution we are going through. So I was wanting to try, like these beachy wave rollers also. So finally I got my hands on this one. This one does have some amazing raving reviews online. One of the most popular, I would say, beach wave, waver or hair color at the moment. Easy to use, but yeah, like the only flip side is it does kind of, you kind of take some time to get used to the functionality, but it's pretty simple. You just like switch on the power button, which is right here. You can adjust the setting, the plus and minus, and these are the arrow buttons which you use to, kind of roll the thing outward or inward depending upon how you prefer it. For bringing the barrel thing, the clamp back to its safe position, the home position, you have this home button. So yeah, I know a lot of buttons, but once you master the art of using this beach waver, like I would say, like initially, yeah, it would take some time, but once you're used to it, like you can always have these beautiful beachy waves at the comfort of your home. Guys, I've spent a lot of money paying to the salon for a hair artist to create these beachy waves whenever I'm heading out or on certain day when I'm shooting. But now I'm so glad I have this beach waver. I can just have my own beachy waves at the comfort of my home. This is super cool. Just to let you know, you need a UK adapter. This is dual voltage, but you need a UK adapter if you're going to be carrying it for your travel to Europe. So guys, this is the 1.25 inch barrel. I think they also have another model which is only 1 inch. That is for the tighter curls. I do have those ones from other brands, but but because this time I was looking for these loose, very loose, messy kind of beachy waves. So I picked up the 1.25 inch diameter one, and I'm just loving the waves, the bounce. It looks so natural, I just totally love the beach waver.